LPG Leakage Detector. This mini project is for a low-cost circuit for an LPG detector that you can build easily. The next time there is a leakage, you can easily be on top of things. This mini project is available at low-cost LPG Leakage Detector. The circuit for an LPG leakage detector is readily available in the market, but it is extremely expensive and usually based on a microcontroller (MCU). Presented here is a low-cost circuit for an LPG detector that you can build easily. The main objective of the circuit is to detect LPG leakage anywhere. Fig. 1 shows the author's prototype. Circuit and working of the main supply is stepped down by transformer X1, rectified by a full-wave rectifier comprising diodes D1 and D2, filtered by capacitor C1 and fed to regulator 7805 IC1 to maintain constant 5 volts DC output, which is fed to the circuit. At the heart of the circuit is dual comparator ICLM393 IC2. It is used to compare two different voltages, namely, reference voltage and MQ6 gas sensor output voltage. Reference voltage at non-inverting pin 3 of IC2 is set using potmeter VR1 to adjust voltage levels based on sensitivity requirements. LPG sensor MQ6 output voltage is fed to inverting pin 2 of IC2. If reference voltage pin 3 of IC2 is less than sensor voltage pin 2 of IC2, output goes low, which means there is no LPG leakage. With low output, T1 remains cut off and there is no current flow through the buzzer. It does not sound and remains in silence mode. If reference voltage is greater than sensor voltage, output goes high, which means there is LPG leakage. The high output switches on transistor T1 and the buzzer rings loudly to alert the people around. It is very easy to find gas leakages with this circuit, which uses low-cost components and an interactive way to adjust different sensitivity levels, based on customer needs, with the help of potmeter VR1. Construction and testing. In PCB pattern of the LPG leakage detector is shown in Fig. 3 and its component layout in Fig. 4. LPG leakage detector. Circuit diagram of the low-cost LPG detector is shown in Fig. 2. It is built around step-down transformer X1, 2 rectifier diodes 1N4007 D1 and D2, a 1000 microfarads capacitor C1 7805 voltage regulator IC1 MQ6 LPG gas sensor GS1 dual comparator LM393 IC2 Darlington transistor TIP122 T2 12 volts high gain siren buzzer PZ1 and a few other components. After assembling the circuit on a PCB, enclose it in a box with an opening for the gas to enter. Place the unit near the LPG cylinder or gas stove, within a distance of 1 meter. Vary preset VR1 to adjust sensitivity of the sensor. Verify the voltages are as per test points table before using the circuit. Now, spray the gas from the bottle as shown on the left side of author's prototype towards MQ6 gas sensor and measure voltage at TP3, it should be high. If you do not have a gas-filled bottle, place the LPG leakage detector near the gas stove burner and turn it on for a few seconds without igniting. Then, turn the burner off and adjust VR1 until buzzer sounds.